Hi everyone, this is Max from Dabbler Websites, and today I was surfing the Shopify community and found this issue. So let's help this person to fix this issue. So basically, the person has issue where the content is out of container on mobile screen. And this is the website, so it looks good on the desktop, but when we go to mobile, it's where is it? Where is it? It's out of container. We see, so text just disappear and going outside container. You can see it on potato. Okay, before we start, don't forget to subscribe, click like, and if this video was helpful for you, don't forget to leave your donations with donation link right here. Okay, if you need some help or have some issues with your website, feel free to contact me by email or by comments under this video. Thank you. Okay, so let's inspect the code and find the solution. Probably it's something with sizing. So we can see the heading. Okay. Okay, we can see that sizes are wrong and it's out of container at all. So when we hover it, it's not inside. So it's act as it should be according to CSS. So this style is good, but this one is no. So let's try to debug it and write something like one width 100%, max width 100%, min width 100%. Okay, so the solution was min width 100% and it looked pretty good right now. Of course, it's not mobile. We can see the another issue with these words, which is really long. So additionally, to fix this issue with this one, we can add break words. So break word break word. Okay, we can a bit play with it, but I think this one break word works best. So if you don't need it, just remove this one, word break. Okay, so and solution works really good. So let's try. All CSS will be inside the comment area under this video, so in the description area. So feel free to get it from here. Okay, so this one is code. So let's reload the page. Okay, we again have issue. So let's add our code which I just created for you. Okay. Oops, wrong CSS. And copy CSS. And works like a charm. So you should add this CSS below the video in the description to your custom CSS area in the website. So, and it should create, it should fix your issue. If you have additional requests, feel free to ask me by email or by comments area under this video. And don't forget to donate, and thanks for watching. If you have some similar issue, just try to check the width, max width and min width. Thanks for watching, bye bye.